7 things that you should do to make the most out of your college life, especially if you are a tier 3 student and you feel like you are getting less opportunities when compared to tier 1 and tier 2 students. Then ultimately you need to watch this video, because in this video I will share 7 tips which will help you to build a successful career. It doesn't matter whether you are from a tier 3 college or a local college. If you follow these steps carefully, then ultimately you have equal chances and equal opportunities as a tier 1 college or tier 2 college student. Let's get into the video. The first important thing that you need to do whenever you join in a college is buy a laptop. It doesn't matter whether your financial situation is bad, or it doesn't matter it is difficult for you to buy something which is expensive, but still I know it's hard, but buy a laptop. Even if you borrow money to buy a laptop, still it's fine, because with a laptop and a good internet connection, you can literally do wonders. Trust me, having a laptop and internet connection means a lot. If you can utilize the internet properly, then you will get equal opportunities as how tier 1 student will able to get, because like the opportunities are completely global these days. It's not that only these colleges will get opportunities or these colleges will get opportunities. There is no such thing these days. Of course the placements will matter, but still there are equal opportunities to explore. But as a tier 3 student, you need to be more proactive. That is very important, and you can only do that by having a good laptop. Whether you might learn coding, do projects, you are learning any other tech. See, without a laptop you cannot succeed, especially in this digital era. Most of the high paying opportunities these days require you to have a laptop and require you to be good with digital skills. So that is the reason why having a good laptop is necessary. Earlier days people used to say good book is like good friend, but nowadays good laptop is like your good friend. So make sure you have a good laptop, even though it's hard for your parents to buy one. But yeah, this is something that you need to request them, or you need to borrow it, whatever you do, or you will find some second hand laptops in many places like OLX. Or make sure you have one. That is really essential, and that is the first step that you need to do. Number 2 in the list is get used to stage speaking. It is a very underrated skill. So it's not that you will become a motivator in the future, or it's not that you will become anchor in the future, but still stage speaking will really help you a lot in your career. See, it will improve your confidence, it will improve your presentation skills, it will increase the chances of being in limelight. So there were many advantages out there if you start stage speaking. College time is the best time to habituate that skill, because you will get lot of opportunities to talk in front of people. So if you can cultivate that habit of speaking in front of people without any fear, then ultimately you will achieve a lot. It really makes a difference for people who are not really extroverted, people who are not really like to speak in front of the people. And if you're someone who can do that, then ultimately you will stand out in the crowd. So that is the reason why it is important to have this stage speaking skill. Make sure you start speaking in front of the people, and stage speaking is something that will give you that opportunity. Number 3 important thing is participate in technical events and fests in and out of the colleges. See, in colleges you might see some technical fests happening, and you can also see some symposiums happening in colleges nearby you or colleges across the country. Make sure you attend them, because networking is something which plays an important role. To get opportunities in the college, to get opportunities out of the college, you need to have a good network. You need to expose yourself to all the people out there. So that's the reason why it is important to attend college fests. See, it might be paper presentation, it might be participating in coding event, it might be participating in any other speaking event. It really gives you more exposure. During my college days, like, it helped me a lot. Like, I used to attend almost everything that I see. Like, that helped me to talk in front of people fearlessly. That helped me to gain confidence. That helped me to build a good personal brand. See, there were many advantages out there by attending technical fairs in and around the colleges. And number 4 is explore multiple skills and technologies during your college. See, it's not that if you belong to a mechanical engineering or belong to computer science, so you have to only pursue your academics and you have to only pursue your stream. No, it's not that. Make sure you learn multiple skills and technologies which are trending. It doesn't matter whatever your academics is, it doesn't matter what are the things that are covered in your college, but still make sure what are all the things that are trending. Make sure what are all the things that you need in the future. You need to research that a lot. So for that reason, you need to have a good mentor. So make sure you find good mentors in the internet. So you'll find many mentors, right? People who are already successful are your mentors. People who teach someone something is your mentor. People who are doing well in their field can be your mentor. Get to know what are all the things that are required in your career once you step out of the college, because those are essential skills. Don't depend on your college or academics for your career. It will not help you. You need to understand what's in demand. You need to understand what's something that has more opportunities in the future, and you need to work on them. You need to learn them. There is no thing called branch or stream these days. You need to have at least basic knowledge of everything. That will really help you stand out from the crowd. And number 5, which is very important thing, is network with people through communities and clubs. So in colleges, you can form a club. If there is already an existing club in your college, join it, be an active contributor of it. If there is no such thing, propose it to start a club, because clubs in colleges will really help you a lot to share your thought, collaborate with people, build some cool projects, and understand how teamwork actually will be. There will be some communities which have students across the colleges. Join in those communities in the internet, be an active contributor in wherever you are. That really help you to network with people and collaborate with people. You will also get to know various opportunities that in general will not be visible to you. And number 6 important thing is take at least one freelancing project during your college time. See, freelancing is like, even there is a local store or local shop in your locality, design a poster for them or create an advertising copy for them, or like whatever it might be, whatever you are good at. Like if you know web designing, ask them that you will create a website for them. It's all about freelancing. Like it's important to do at least one freelancing gig during your college time, because that will help you to understand how to earn money, and that eagerness in earning money will motivate you to find more opportunities, more high paying opportunities, and that is something which is very essential these days. And final thing is work on projects and portfolio. See, whatever the branch that you are in, so whatever you have learned, try to build some practical things from it, build projects, and build a portfolio along with that. Many platforms like GitHub, you can publish all your projects, all your work that you have done, whatever the skill that you have learned. Try to start building projects, create a portfolio. It is very essential to showcase your work to the external world. These are all the 7 steps that you must do to make the most out of your college life. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this and if you want someone else to benefit out of this, please share this video in network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.